we had a couple we looked at together, and it's very hard to look at a deal, and if you love the location, love the building, and the business plan works, but you don't have certain paperwork, and your lawyer is telling you, look, there's a roll of a dice. How do you raise money from people knowing that? And so we also dropped deals that I wish we bought and chanced it, but sometimes you got to draw the line somewhere.
Yeah, got it. Yeah. So, I mean, and also, if we're making these turnkey assets that are 100% free market, that next buyer is going to really diligence it. So it's not just our risk tolerance, it's really the next buyer's risk tolerance. So that's kind of the way we're thinking of, are you going to have liquidity on the back end if there was missing paperwork historically?
Yeah, and I've seen it, we've seen a lot too going forward, like with other buyers, not just you guys, but Jay, you've obviously always done really nice renovations, and Sam, obviously you've done good stuff as well. But I've noticed that your stuff that you've done the last 3 years is like really, really nice.
Yeah.
And and a number of investors that we're dealing with, they're doing the same, where they're buying, stabilized deals, they're getting tenants out, they're doing good renovations, but now they've taken it to another level. You've definitely, I saw your stuff on Carmine, it's ridiculous. Bleecker, I saw like your deals have always been really nice. Like the renovation, I feel like that's the stuff that sells and that's the stuff that rents, and I feel like that's something that everyone's doing.
If you buy small buildings, and you have to do the math about what it's going to cost you when tenants leave, and so you got to punch above your weight on the renovations. We started that from the beginning, as you know, One McDonough, and we always wanted apartments that people could stay in for a long time, because you do the math. One tenant leaves each year, and what it costs to paint, what it costs to clean, what it costs for downtime, broker fee, your whole year is shot. One or two people leave. So we wanted to make sure that we can keep people for a long time. And from 2015 to 19, that was happening. And we were just talking about this before. After that, it's a little bit more transient. So we'll see what happens.